First click on File Explorer. Click on View. Select Hidden Item. Click on C Drive. Open User folder. Open Default folder. Copy the desktop folder. Now go back to C Drive. Open Windows folder. Open System32 folder. Open Config folder. Open System Profile folder. Now paste the desktop folder. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first press Alt plus Control plus Delete on your keyboard. Click on Task Manager. Locate Windows Explorer service. Right-click it and select End Task. Click on File. Click on Run New Task. Type explorer.exe. Now your problem should be fixed.